Ladies and gentlemen, today I will show you how to model intertwined surfaces in Solidworks. So let's get started. Sketch on the front plane or any plane of your choice. Next, you are going to choose line, and you choose construction. Next, you will choose arc, 3-point arc, 1, 2, 3. You draw another one below, 1, 2, 3. Oops. No, this one is on it. 1, 2, 3. Next, we are going to dimension it to here. We give it 60. Okay. From this top to this bottom, we give it 15. Okay. Next, we will simply click on Control. We will select this first arc. We will select the second arc. One, 2. We will choose tangent and we will choose equal. Okay. Once that has been done, we are going to choose linear pattern. For our linear pattern, we are going to choose the number to 10. Then the spacing, we are going to choose a spacing to 100 and let's put the spacing to 120, and the number, let's put it to 10 for the sake of demonstration. Then for our 8x2 pattern, we choose 1, 2. Okay. Once that has been done, we are going to accept, and we will go to features. We will select sweep bust base. We choose circular pattern. Then we will highlight this, and then we will choose the thickness to, let's say, 25. Let's put it at 25. Okay. Once 25 has been achieved, we are going to move to the next thing. We will select this right plane sketch. We put it to normal, Control 8. We draw a line from here to somewhere here. Horizontal line, we choose construction geometry. Next, we are going to pattern this body. So we will go to linear pattern. We exit the sketch first, then we choose linear pattern. Once on linear pattern, our direction, we choose this line. Then the spacing, we put it at 1 at 60. We put the spacing at 60. Then we choose bodies. We are not choosing feature but the body. We select this. Then for the number, we put it at 2. Okay. Once that has been achieved, we are going to select this one. We are going to go to insert. We choose feature, rotate, move copy. Once there, we select this one. Then we rotate it through the x-axis by 180 degrees. Oops. Edit. We uncheck copy. Okay. Once that has been done, we have to sketch now along there. We have to sketch along the front plane. Control 8 to put it to normal. We draw a line from the origin horizontally, and we choose construction geometry. Next thing, we exit the sketch. We are going to choose again, right click on the working zone. We choose recent command, move copy. We select this first one. Then we are going to rotate it we choose rotate. We are rotating it now about the y-axis through 90 degrees. Okay, we ensure that we check the copy should be marked. Okay, once that has been done, we are still going to right click and choose recent command, then move copy. We select this one, then we go now to translate. We are going to translate this one along the x direction, so we will move backwards through until we are at 570. Okay, we move it through 570. Attention, we have to uncheck copy. Okay, once that is done, we are going to linear pattern this one. So we choose linear pattern, we select this one. For the direction, we choose this axis. Then for the body to copy, we are not choosing feature, we are choosing bodies. We select this one. For our distance, we select 60, then we reverse the direction. Okay, next we have to rotate this body, so we right click and choose recent command, then we choose move copy, then we uncheck copy, we select this one, then we are going to rotate it now along the z-axis through 180 degrees, so 180. Okay, once this has been achieved, let's move a little back. We have to rotate, we rather translate it. Let's right click and we choose recent command, copy, so we select this one, we go to rotate. We are rotating along the z-axis through 180 degrees. Okay, good, that is done. The next thing now, we have to make copy, so linear pattern. For the direction, we select this. Now for the number, we are going to put it to 10. For the spacing, we are going to put it to 120. For the bodies to pattern, we select bodies, we choose 1, 2, then we reverse the direction. Okay, next we are going to choose again this. For the direction, we select now this other short line. For the bodies to pattern, we are selecting bodies. Okay, we select 1, 2, but this time around for the number, we are going to put it to 6. Okay, then we take again linear pattern, we choose the direction, we choose the short line again. Then for the bodies to pattern, we select 1, 2 again, but this time around number of bodies to pattern, we choose 5, then we choose OK. So at this junction, we have our interwoven bodies, so we can hide this and we can hide this other short line height. So this is the procedure to do that. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to like, click and comment, and most importantly, select the notification button to be updated on further videos. So I hope you like the video and I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching.